Nobody ever tells you the real truth about how your body actually burns stored fat. Your body already knows exactly how to burn fat naturally and use it for energy. It was designed for this specific purpose and built to burn fat at cellular levels. But something powerful is blocking this natural process, and it is not your slow metabolism. It is not your age, and it is definitely not your genetics holding you back. There is a hidden switch inside you that controls if you store fat or burn it. For most people today, this crucial switch has been stuck in the wrong position forever. This happens not because of your laziness, and it is not about your weak willpower. It happens because of one common drink people consume every single morning without even thinking. They have absolutely no idea what this morning drink is actually doing to their hormones. The real fix that flips this switch back to normal is never a crash diet. It is not a magic pill, and it is definitely not some expensive fitness program. The ultimate fix is just one specific drink consumed at one very specific morning time. This drink perfectly signals your body at the hormonal level to stop storing excess fat. It forces your stubborn body to finally start burning that stored fat for daily energy. Before we talk about the magical drink, you truly need to understand this biological switch. If you do not understand why your body stores fat, you will never see results. You must know why this unique drink works so you can use it very consistently. This powerful hidden switch inside your body is a vital hormone that we call insulin. Insulin is not the villain here because it is just a hormone doing its job. When you eat your daily carbohydrates, your digestive system quickly breaks them down into glucose. That simple glucose instantly enters your bloodstream, causing your natural blood sugar levels to rise. Your pancreas quickly detects this sharp rise and immediately releases insulin to manage the sugar. The main job of insulin is to safely escort that sugar directly into your cells. It pushes glucose into your muscles and organs so it can be used as energy. When this system works right, your blood sugar goes up and insulin carefully manages it. Then your blood sugar comes back down safely, insulin drops, and everything returns to normal. But here is the shocking truth that most people simply do not know about insulin. Insulin does not just manage your blood sugar levels throughout your busy and active day. It actually acts as a strong, direct lock placed right on your stubborn fat cells. When insulin is floating inside your bloodstream, even at very low levels, things completely change. A special fat-burning enzyme in your body called hormone-sensitive lipase gets suppressed and blocked. This specific enzyme is fully responsible for breaking down stored fat and releasing it out. It puts that fat into your blood circulation so your body can burn it all up. Without this vital enzyme, your fat stays permanently locked away deep inside your fat cells. That fat absolutely cannot be accessed, and it definitely cannot be burned for daily fuel. This remains true no matter how much you exercise or how little food you eat. This is not just some random internet theory. It is pure, basic medical science facts. Burning fat is literally biologically impossible whenever your insulin levels remain elevated in your blood. For millions of struggling people today, their insulin remains elevated almost constantly without them knowing. This constant spike happens mostly because of the popular drinks they casually consume every day. The bad drink keeping you permanently stuck is not alcohol, and it is not sugary soda. Everyone already knows those sugary drinks are highly problematic and terrible for your overall health. The drink quietly destroying your natural fat-burning potential is actually the one you consider healthy.
I am talking about fruit juices, bottled store smoothies, and heavily sweetened morning coffee drinks. Even those fancy flavored waters packed with natural sweeteners will quickly ruin your fat loss progress. Yes, even that morning coffee with oat milk and vanilla syrup is a huge modern problem. It might feel like a small harmless treat, but it completely wrecks your delicate hormonal balance. These popular morning drinks all share one terrible thing in common that destroys your daily progress. They deliver massive amounts of fast-acting sugar right into your living body in liquid form. Liquid sugar is metabolically the single most dangerous form that any simple sugar can possibly take. When you eat real sugar inside solid food like an apple, things are very remarkably different. The natural fiber, protein, and solid physical structure of that whole food slow down simple digestion. The natural glucose enters your bloodstream very gradually, keeping everything completely stable, safe, and easily manageable. The resulting insulin response from your pancreas remains highly moderate and completely under your full body control. But when that sugar arrives in a pure liquid form, there is absolutely no slowing fiber. There is nothing solid to digest, so it rushes into your small intestine almost instantly without delay. Pure glucose violently floods your entire bloodstream in a sharp, sudden, and incredibly steep tidal sugar wave. Your shocked pancreas panics and instantly releases a massive, rapid burst of pure, strong insulin-managing hormone. That massive insulin spike does not just calmly bring your high blood sugar back safely down normally. It completely overshoots the vital target, making your blood sugar crash way below its safe, normal daily baseline. Your confused brain interprets this sudden drop as a very dangerous and highly severe extreme energy emergency. It then triggers intense, unstoppable sugar cravings within just 1 or 2 short, highly stressful waking morning hours. You end up eating again, your body insulin spikes right back up strongly, and the vicious trap repeats. By the time mid-morning arrives, you have already triggered multiple massive insulin spikes blindly without knowing. Your crucial fat-burning switch gets permanently locked in the off position since you first actually woke up. Now, let us finally talk about the exact special thing that actually flips this internal switch safely back. The ultimate perfect drink is pure green tea, specifically high-quality loose leaf or totally authentic powdered matcha. You absolutely must consume it in the early morning before eating any solid breakfast food to see results. It must always be completely plain, strictly without any added sugar, dairy milk, or fake artificial liquid sweeteners. Before you click away quickly thinking this sounds way too obvious, you really need to closely hear this. What plain green tea truly does inside your living body goes way beyond simply providing basic healthy antioxidants. That simple surface-level explanation is exactly why most regular people always drink it completely wrong every day. They completely mess up the timing and never ever get the amazing fat loss results the research promises. Real green tea actually works perfectly on 4 entirely separate biological body mechanisms all at the exact time. Once you fully grasp all 4 mechanisms, you will realize why absolutely nothing else even comes close. The first mechanism is the powerful activation of a special plant compound known simply as natural EGCG. This specific compound is the most heavily studied natural element found in all of modern nutritional medical science. Thousands of published scientific studies show its absolutely incredible, profound effects on your daily metabolism and fat oxidation. This powerful EGCG safely blocks an annoying enzyme that normally breaks down your internal fat-burning body signals. Because this bad enzyme gets fully blocked, your body naturally stays in a fat-burning state. The helpful enzyme that naturally unlocks your stubborn fat cells stays fully activated and working hard. This effect is absolutely massive, especially when smoothly combined with the natural caffeine inside tea. The second magical mechanism is exactly how it properly sensitizes your living body to insulin. Green tea literally trains your resistant body cells to easily become highly sensitive to insulin. When your cells become sensitive, they naturally respond very quickly and efficiently to manage sugar. This means fat burning can finally resume incredibly fast during the empty periods between meals. Your tired body automatically needs significantly less active insulin to properly manage the exact same sugar. The third amazing mechanism safely involves regulating your stressful cortisol levels using a unique amino acid.
This special amino acid is called L-theanine, existing practically exclusively inside pure natural tea. Deep abdominal belly fat has 4 times more active cortisol receptors than absolutely anywhere else. This natural L-theanine significantly reduces cortisol response, helping you stay incredibly calm and focused. The fourth deep physical mechanism is the ultimate long-term healthy upgrading of cellular factories. These little factories are scientifically called mitochondria, and they are where fat actually gets burned. Green tea directly stimulates the continuous rapid creation of brand new active mitochondria inside cells. Now we must carefully discuss morning timing, because bad timing completely destroys every single benefit. During this completely empty, fasted state, your resting body is fully primed to burn fat. When you first wake up, you must absolutely drink a tall glass of plain water. Then you must calmly wait 15 to 30 full minutes before drinking your green tea. Proper real green tea naturally flips that specific metabolic switch, requiring zero mental willpower today.